Welcome to my review of American Web Loan. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about their services, the application process, and whether it's a good fit for those looking to build or improve their credit. If you've been searching for a reliable online loan provider, you've probably come across American Web Loan, which offers quick loans for individuals with less than perfect credit. Let's start with the basics. American Web Loan offers personal loans, specifically designed to help people who need financial assistance, while also working to improve their credit scores. The website is straightforward, with an easy-to-navigate interface. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, pay for an emergency, or simply need extra cash, they provide a quick and simple application process. You can apply for a loan directly from their website, and the approval process is typically fast, with funds often available the next business day. One of the first things I noticed when reviewing American Web Loan was how user-friendly the application process is. It doesn't require a lot of complicated paperwork or credit checks that would normally slow you down. The website is designed to be transparent, providing clear terms and conditions up front. It's important to note that while they offer loans to individuals with bad or no credit, the interest rates can be higher than what you might expect from traditional lenders. This is the trade-off to consider, especially if you are building credit. In terms of the loan amounts, American Web Loan offers flexible options, typically ranging from a few $100s up to a few thousand. This flexibility is perfect for people who need smaller loans for emergencies or larger loans to tackle bigger financial goals. The loan repayment terms are also reasonable, allowing for easy monthly payments that help ensure you stay on track with your budget. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, American Web Loan offers fast approval and funding, even for people with less than perfect credit. The website is simple to use, and the customer service is responsive, which makes the entire experience relatively stress-free. Plus, using their services can help improve your credit score if you make your payments on time. On the downside, one of the main drawbacks of using American Web Loan is the relatively high interest rates, especially for people with lower credit scores. While it can be an excellent option for someone trying to rebuild their credit, it may not be the most cost-effective solution in the long run. Another thing to keep in mind is that while they provide loans to people with poor credit, this doesn't guarantee approval. They still evaluate your financial situation, so it's important to be aware of their criteria. In conclusion, American Web Loan is a decent choice if you're looking for a simple, quick way to access personal loans, especially for credit building purposes. If you're willing to pay a bit higher in interest rates for the opportunity to improve your credit score, it could be a good option for you. However, it's always worth shopping around for the best rates and terms before committing to any loan. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching.